I suppose we all have tips and tricks for one another, and I don't know about tricks, but tips anyways. And I call this my invention. All it is gorilla tape over 3 pieces of bamboo, and I make it so it fits for this. And the first thing I'll do, this one I already finished grafting, so I'm going to show you first. Got my wax here. This is a 1 liter deep fryer. And you put 4 ounces of paraffin in there, and you put 0.1 ounce of beeswax. And then, while I got this tool in here, I've shaken the seedling down to the front. And then I put this in here so it holds. And I can sit this in here, and I can bring the soil way down to the level that I want to, and which is where the roots are going to start flaring from a seedling. And then I can do my work because I got my seedling raised up and I got a place for it to stand. And then, so I just finished, and this is where I'm at. Then I have 2 pieces of cardboard that I cut these centers out of, and I put this over this, keep the soil from getting into my waxing tank. Now I can dip it so I don't have to wrap it in parafilm and break my work. And now I continue to go on to the next graft. That's my tip or trick for you today.